Maritza.
I'm Ashley.
And I'm Betty, and we are at Keiser University, Lakeland.
In the Dietetics and Nutrition program.
And today we're going to be making apple pops.
These are some of the ingredients that you will need. So for your first step, you can cut up your apple either in slices, or if you have a handy dandy apple core, you can just center it on the core and press down, and you have perfectly pieces. So then you'll take and turn it over and just pop them out. And then to save them from browning up so fast, drop them into a pitcher that we have just put some ginger ale, or you can use lemon lime soda or water with lemon juice. Take them out and lay them out to dry. You want them to dry so that the caramel and the chocolate or what other toppings you're putting on them will not slide off.
So the next step is to insert a toothpick onto one end of the apple.
Next, melt the chocolate in 30-second intervals, and then you're ready to start decorating.
When you're done dipping and you have all your designs made up, you take it and put it in your refrigerator for about 15 minutes so they can all harden up for you, and then you have your designs to enjoy and share with your family.